Hey guys, this is the newly launched OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro TWS Earbuds. Well, in this video, let me share you how to connect using manual pairing mode, and let's explore the features in the HeyMelody app if you are connecting in a non-OnePlus Oppo Realme phones. If you are connecting for the very first time, you can easily able to connect on your first device, and if you are trying to connect on any other second device like laptop, iPhone or any other Android devices, so just you need to enter into the manual pairing mode. For this, just open the case door, place both the buds in case, and at the case bottom, here is the new setup key is here on the OnePlus new Nord series. So just press and hold this key for 2 to 3 seconds and see the LED indicator. You will see a white light indication, and also you can see the Google Fastpair dialog box window here. So you have to just click on connect on your new Android phones, or if you're using iPhone means just to go to the Bluetooth settings, and there you can see the Nord Buds 4 Pro. Now it's connected. So if you're using a Realme, OnePlus, Oppo phones means, so after you connected under the Bluetooth settings itself, so you can see the earbuds function option. Click on this. Now here you can see all the things. At the top you can see the earbuds battery percentage and case battery percentage and ANC control, dual connection. So if you are using dual connection means the two devices showing, like one is Realme 12 Pro and OnePlus 12R. Then there is a OnePlus 3D audio, and then a high-res mode is here. AI translate feature is here. Then game mode, and there is a additional Spotify integration is here. And under the sound you can get some relaxed sounds. So if you want to sleep or want to relax, you can play some relaxing sounds. Then here is the earbuds control. This time there is some new feature called sliding volume control. By just sliding down and up, you can increase or decrease the volume right from the earbuds itself. And also other type of actions also available: single tap, double tap, triple tap, and then touch and hold for a noise cancellation. Then by default now dual connection is enabled. By just entering into the manual pairing mode, you can just connect to any lastly connected to devices easily and seamlessly. And that is find my earbuds feature, and there is some under more settings, there is a in-ear detection option, autoplay pause function, switch audio channel option is there. If you are not using the earbuds or if you are removing your earbuds, then the audio will be automatically switched to the earpiece or loudspeaker. So these are all the new features on this OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro TWS earbuds. So the new highlights of this OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro is it has a new 55 decibels of active noise cancellation. There is a sliding volume control right from the earbuds, and also battery playback hours improved from 44 hours to 54 hours. Now there is a high-res LHDC audio codec on OnePlus Nord series itself. So these are all some of the highlighted features for this Nord Buds 4 Pro TWS. Now if you are using a non-OnePlus Realme phones means, then to access all this feature you need to install the HeyMelody application. If you are using any non-OnePlus Android phones or any iPhones means, so you have to just go to the Google Play Store and search for HeyMelody. So this is the application HeyMelody. So just install it. Now you just need to enter the pairing mode, manual pairing mode in your TWS earbuds if you are already connected with any other device means. So just press and hold this bottom key for 2 seconds. Now you will see the white light indication. So now you will see the OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro in your non-OnePlus phones also, and that's it. Now the device is connected. Just click on done. Make sure the buds in the case itself. Now click on add option, click on allow. Now just click on connect. So once you entered into the HeyMelody application, here also you will see all the features similar to what we seen in the default OnePlus phone setting itself. And regarding the dual connection, you can see all the devices here. If you want to connect to any other devices means, like now currently it's connected with this OnePlus 12R phone. If I want to connect with this Realme phone means, so I can instantly tap it here. So just click on confirm. Now the earbuds disconnected from this OnePlus phone and connected to this device Realme phone. So now it is actually connected. And similarly, if you want to connect again back to the OnePlus 12R means, you can just tap on here. Now disconnected from this smartphone and it automatically connected to OnePlus 12R. So this is one more new feature. So right from the HeyMelody app in your default phone setting itself, you can choose in which device you want to connect between whatever the devices you are previously paired. Apart from that, all other features are here, and you can see the OnePlus 3D audio, the spatial audio feature in this non-OnePlus Android phones also. And there is a game mode, and under sound setting, and there is a dual connection, and under more settings you can see the autoplay pause, earbud fit test. So almost all major features available on this OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro in all the devices. Well, overall that's it about this video guys, and hopefully if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.